Create, design and game with the Gigabyte Aero 15. Boasting an Intel Core i7 processor, 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, and the blistering power of the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 with Max-Q design. This laptop has the power of a top-of-the-range desktop squeezed into an ultra-slim and lightweight design. Its 15.6-inch screen is available in 4K UHD for gloriously sharp resolution, or in 144Hz FHD for the most fluid response in gaming. With a 10-hour battery life, RGB Fusion keyboard and Dolby Atmos available, this is the laptop for those who want to work hard and play harder.